Did you know that over 80% of Americans fail to clean their dryer vent regularly? And as a result of this, their clothes take longer to get dry, their dryer heats up excessively, they use more energy, spend more money, and stand a very high risk of a fire hazard. Well, now that you have this information, how do you plan to take advantage of it? At Advanced Chimney Cleaning, we give you an opportunity to benefit from having your dryer vent cleaned effectively and maintained conveniently. As professional chimney sweeps and experienced dryer vent cleaners, we use specialized cleaning tools to remove accumulated lint. Through this, we help create an opportunity for you to save energy, money, extend the life of your dryer, and effectively prevent a fire. All our services are flexible and affordably structured to suit your needs. At Advanced Chimney Cleaning, we pride ourselves in providing a dryer vent cleaning and chimney sweeping service that is efficient and second to none. We are experienced, committed, approachable, and extremely affordable. So take advantage of this opportunity and contact us now for your dryer vent cleaning. Call us now at 951-698-8676 to schedule a dryer vent cleaning today. For more information and inquiries, please visit our website at www.advancedchimneycleaning.com.